Alright, she gave me permission to finish cleaning the fridges and to get rid of the mouse poop stuff, which I already bagged up and told her about 3 days to check through, to sort through, and she won't do it. It's too much stress. So it's time for me to take it out now. She didn't want to deal with it. And I really don't think there's anything of value in there. It's mostly mouse chewed stuff. Oh, look at that nice clean lid. I'm gonna lean you up right against that lid. Tasty. Don't lick your lips. This is going to require a scraper and some bleach. I know what happened to my rags last time. I lost 2 rags and a sponge, and I had poured stuff in the toilet, you know, the dirty water, and then the toilet got a little backed up, and that was my rags. Oh yeah. So I haven't had any water, and my heart is beating pretty strong. And I can't quite leave yet. I'm not done. I did, however, get too much water on that bulb and it burst. So that's always a fun thing. Normally I don't get water on bulbs. But today I did. So I'm working off the fact that I'm almost done. I got this puddle down here, and I just don't quite have enough of anything to put it in somewhere. So I'm gonna try and use my bucket. Respect your hard work. They're not going to start anytime soon. Ugh. Well, hello. What the hell is this? Ugh. I got some surprises back here. Ooh. Those are eggshells. If I can get it. Garlic Caesar dressing. Mm. My razor blade broke. I'll have to change that later. Almost done. I got a little something here. More items to wipe off. This is going to be the worst one. That smells like barbecue sauce. Guess what I found? There we go. Scooby gone.